I really love the transformation connections because of how lightweight they are and how natural they feel. They feel like my real hair. I can still maintain my natural lifestyle. I can work out and run and put my hair back, and they're very versatile.
Strand-by-strand extension systems revolutionize the extension market by offering a solution for those clients looking for more movement and flexibility with styling. Transformation Connections is an all-in-one system utilizing an aluminum alloy ring that is covered 360 degrees in hair. This creates a reusable, safe, and easily installed extension system. With 3 different sizes, Transformation Connections are a perfect solution for any extension client.
Public Image is a full-service hair salon. We create styles that are commercial, fashionable, and adaptable for men and women. Schedule an appointment at Public Image Salon with any of our amazing hair designers to look and feel your very best.